Hello, and we are on part 4 of turning Angry Bird Stella characters into furries, and today we have Willow, the art hoe. So yeah, with her design, I really tried to hone in on like the art kid type vibe, you know, baggy pants, hoodie, high tops, you know, that type of shit. I really stuck with the yellow and orange color palette because I think it was like nice. Except with her hoodie, I added some patches because I felt like it really fit her and all that stuff, and it really added to the design in the end. So yeah, here is the final design for Willow.